Welcome to TechPrint YouTube channel. If you are looking to simplify Python and PostgreSQL database integration, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we will master Tortoise ORM and PostgreSQL step by step. Whether you are a beginner or brushing up your skills, this guide will have you building scalable and efficient applications in no time. Let's start with what you will learn today. By the end of this video, you will understand the basic of Tortoise ORM and PostgreSQL, how to set up your environment, define models and perform CRUD operations, query data and handle relationships, build scalable Python applications with ease. Now let's dive in. Tortoise ORM is a lightweight object relational mapping for Python, designed for essential support for high-performance applications. Its key features include asynchronous execution for efficiency, schema generation so you don't have to create database schemas manually, support for multiple backends including PostgreSQL, MySQL, and SQLite. PostgreSQL is an open-source, powerful, and reliable relational database system. It is known for advanced data types, robust querying capabilities, scalability for complex applications. When combined, Tortoise ORM and PostgreSQL make database management simple and efficient. Now let us set up the environment. To follow along, ensure you have Python 3.7 Plus installed and also have PostgreSQL installed on your system. Once ready, install the required Python packages by running pipe install tortoise orm and install async pg. To also create a PostgreSQL database, you can use the command displayed on the screen. Now let's explain how to set this up in our terminal. Before we proceed, let's create a directory called tortoisedemo.app. After creating a directory, let's seed into the directory. Then let's create our virtual environment. We've successfully created our virtual environment inside our new directory. Now let's activate our virtual environment. Now we've successfully activated our virtual environment. The next thing to do here is to install all the required libraries. Successfully installed all the required libraries. Let's create our PostgreSQL database with the following command. You can see we successfully created our database. I just use this procedure to explain how to create a database, but I already created a Tortoise demo database, which I'm going to use in our code. With our environment set up, let us move to the code. Here is our complete code for integrating Tortoise ORM with PostgreSQL. Let's break it down step by step. First, we import the necessary libraries, OS and .env, to load environment variables for database credentials securely. We also import Tortoise and feeds for defining models and interacting with the database. Likewise, we import model to create classes that map to our database tables. We use .env to load sensitive information like database username and password from a .env file. This keeps our code secure and easy to manage. We use .env to load sensitive information like database username and password from a .env file. This keeps our code secure and easy to manage. We define the database configuration to connect Tortoise ORM to our PostgreSQL database. We use tortoise.init to initialize the database connection, and Tortoise generates schemas to create tables automatically. Models represent tables in the database. For example, here's a user model with fields for ID, name, email, and created at. We also define a post model to illustrate relationships. The author field creates a foreign key to the user model. Finally, here's how to perform a CRUD operation. We create a function to add a new record, a function to retrieve records, a function to update record by modifying existing record, and likewise a function to delete or remove records. Tortoise ORM simplifies database management with Python, while PostgreSQL offers robust and scalable data storage. Together, they empower developers to build fast, efficient applications. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.